Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to raise GABA levels in the brain. GABA, or gamma-aminobutyric acid, is a crucial neurotransmitter that helps calm your nervous system. It acts like a brake, reducing overactivity in the brain and promoting relaxation. When your GABA levels are balanced, you often feel more at ease and less anxious. Understanding its role is the first step to naturally enhancing its production for better well-being. Your diet plays a significant role in supporting GABA production. Incorporate fermented foods such as kimchi, sauerkraut, and yogurt, which can influence gut health and neurotransmitter balance. Foods high in glutamic acid, like spinach, broccoli, and nuts, are also beneficial as glutamic acid is a precursor to GABA. Additionally, sipping on green tea provides L-theanine, an amino acid known to promote relaxation and potentially boost GABA activity. Beyond diet, lifestyle adjustments are powerful for raising GABA. Regular practices like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can significantly reduce stress and enhance GABA function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity most days of the week, as exercise is a natural mood booster. Prioritizing 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night also allows your brain to restore and optimize neurotransmitter levels, including GABA. For some, supplements might offer additional support. GABA supplements are available, often in doses ranging from 250 milligrams to 750 milligrams. However, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplements to your routine to ensure they are appropriate for you. Also, if you love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link in the description below, along with other great deals, to enhance your well-being.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.